cleaning tip for today from FastKlean. Tips to get your children to like cleaning. Consider age-appropriate chores. Introduce them to basic concepts of cleaning and simplest things like gently wipe surfaces that aren't too soiled and putting their toys away after they are done playing with them. Try to make it fun. Young ones tend to turn everything into a game, and that is exactly how you can get them into cleaning. Let them also sing and dance while cleaning. Reward them. Children love rewards, especially if they consider them to be well-earned, which is definitely the case with doing a cleaning chore. Visit our YouTube channel for the complete tips. Like, share, and follow for more tips.